Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let all the students join the class, then I will start the class with it. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone, please open the camera of yours. To message me your name and present teacher. Everyone quickly. Sinan, Danish, Moise Bete, everyone to message me. Your class section, your name. For example, Reja, 6 green, present teacher. Quickly start doing it. Everyone should message me. Everyone open the camera. Start sending message, everyone. Only Reja has sent up till now. Quickly, quickly, bete. Abdullah Danish, please. Yusra, do message present teacher. Sinan, Shahraza, message me present teacher. Ji bete Mubashir, do message present teacher. Start doing quickly, quickly bete.
मिस मुझे मैसेज नहीं करना आता.
Bete, in your screen, there is an option chat near participant. Go in chat and message over there. Yes, please everyone. Message your name. Message your complete name, your class section and present teacher quickly. Start doing it.
Miss, please tell again because I come late.
Humaira, do it. Message present teacher, please.
Miss, I send. Miss, please tell again.
Bete, the Zoom screen is up here.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, are you able to look at the option participants?
Yes.
Just near it, there's an option chat, CHAT chat.
Okay, Miss.
Click on the chat button and you can write message over there. It will appear on the right side. To message present. Please open the video, everyone. Open the video and open the mic. Ji bete, Anaya, are you able to hear my voice? Please open the camera.
नहीं भाई.
Yeah.
Yes, my dear.
My laptop camera is not working, so that's why my video is not opening.
Okay, just display your picture over there so that I can judge you that there's Anaya. Rahim, Ali Salman, please, bete, open the camera. Unmute yourself, all the participants, please. Message, present teacher. Okay. Abdullah Farhan, bete, do recite the, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Abdullah Farhan, start reciting the Quranic verses. Any short surah recite right now. Then we will start the class. Quickly.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تسليم وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجين وجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
Subhanallah. Sadaqallahu lazim. Jazakallah bete. Okay. Yesterday I have given you the topic, do parts of a speech in your homework.
Yes,
I'm sharing the screen.
Yes.
Everyone, assalamu alaikum.
I have done.
Very good. Look at the screen. Just tally out with me the whole worksheet. Very good. Whosoever have done it, just tally out with me. What have you done? Yes, my dear?
I have done it.
Very good. Everyone should open the first worksheet. I will tell you all answers with you. Please do tally answer with me. Open the worksheet, your assignment right now. Quickly. Do open the worksheet set. Page number 1.
Open, miss.
Have you opened?
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's really nice. Do open
I have
worksheet page
opened.
number. Yes, my dear.
Miss, I have opened the page.
Very good. Page 1. Assalamu alaikum. Rafi, beti, open the camera of yours.
Yes, can you hear me?
Most of the students did not open the camera.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear everyone, my dear. You have to open the camera of yours, my dear. Please open the camera. Let all the students join. Rao Sapan is joining us. Anaya. Okay. 2 more students are joining. Peter, you should quickly log into page. Quickly open at 9 a.m. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Let Anaya join first. Okay, are you all able to listen to me?
Yes,
Yes.
miss. Yes, teacher.
Have you opened page 1 of worksheet?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Sir, have you opened it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, everyone unmute yourself. Whosoever are mute, please, I want them to unmute themselves. Rahul Sapan, Mohammad Saqib, Yusra, please, Abdullah Danish, Mera Iqbal, unmute yourself quickly. All of should open the microphone and the head, please, the headphone, whatever you are using, and the camera. Because we have to tell you all the answers in worksheet. Unmute yourself. बेटे अपना माइक्रोफोन हेडफोन ओपन कीजिए. Yusra, Mohammad Danish, Saqib, everyone.
Can you hear me right now?
Yes, my dear, I can hear you right now. Abdullah Danish, please open the microphone open कीजिए. Anaya, bete, please. Mubashir, bete, please open the microphone. Open the microphone now. Danish. Umaira, please open it. Unmute yourself, all of you. Kindly open the camera and unmute yourself. To open worksheet, page 1. The assignment which I have given you, I will tell you all the answers. Now I'm sharing my screen. Most of the students have joined the class. So now I'm sharing the screen. Look at that assignment. Is it appear on your desktop? The assignment worksheet?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Look at this worksheet. Here is the box is here. So many boxes are here. Look at that. Nouns,
Yes.
adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. The 4 boxes are here. Is that so?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. You have to read the blank. Whatever is suitable and appropriate to fill in this blank, you will write over here, and then the word belong to which class You will put it in the column, right column. Is this clear?
Yes.
The first one. I study English. I am a dash. Who am I?
Student. Student.
Yes, I am a student. I am a learner. Anything you can write.
I write as a student.
Very good. And it will
I
come in
write
noun
student
column.
also.
It will come in noun column. Noun.
Yes.
I study English.
I
I am
have
a
written
student.
in noun column.
Write student in noun column. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, the second one. John drives to work every day in his new car
Car.
Yes. Car.
or vehicle,
Car.
whatever. It will also come in noun.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Sarah doesn't walk slowly. She walks dash.
Fastly.
Quickly.
No, bete. She walks.
Fast.
Quickly is also fine. She walks fast. F-A-S-T only. No L-Y. F-A-S-T adverb. No L-Y. Quickly is also fine.
Okay.
Okay.
This car कहाँ लिखने हैं?
Basic car in noun. You don't know what is car? Car is a noun now. Put in noun column.
And टीचर में quick किधर लिखना है?
Again repeat the word, my dear.
Quick.
Bete, in the first one.
We have to write quickly, na?
Yes, bete. It will come in adverb column. Quickly.
Yes.
Sarah doesn't walk slowly. She walks quickly. It's better to write F-A-S-T, fast. Fast. It's really better to write fast. She walks fast. F-A-S-T. Is this clear?
Yes. Teacher.
Please do not speak in between and don't interrupt the class. Listen the blanks carefully. Okay, number 4. I need a dash because I want to write some notes. What do you need?
Notebook.
What do you need when we are writing a note?
Notebook.
Notebook.
Pencil.
Yes, very good. It will come in noun. Write it. It will come in noun.
Miss, I write paper. Notebook.
Very good. Yes, you can.
Notebook.
Notebook, copy, paper.
book. And a pen.
All are fine. I need a paper, copy, this really all are fine. Paper, notebook, copy, register, everything you can write. All are absolutely.
Pen.
Write in noun column. This blank, the word, whatever you are writing here, it will come in noun column. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, moving forward, number 5. Are you going to dash for tomorrow's test?
Learn.
School.
Learn.
Bete, after 2 weeks, imperative, use verb over here.
I
write study.
Are you going to study or are you going to learn for tomorrow test?
Miss,
Are
I
you going to prepare for tomorrow test? Is this clear?
Miss, I write study.
Very good. It will come in verb column. It will come in verb column. Done?
Yes.
Okay.
Done.
Now move to number 6. I am hungry. When can we dash lunch?
Take.
When can we eat? Eat or have? H-A-V-E, have.
Yes, eat.
When can we eat? It's also a verb and we can place in verb column. Eat or H-A-V-E, have. Lunch.
Okay.
Clear?
Eat.
It will come in verb column. Okay, number 7. My book isn't old. I bought it. It's yesterday. It's new. It's already mentioned in adjective column.
Yes.
Done for you. Okay, look at that. Number 8. The sky is black at night, but it is dashed during the day. How is the color?
Blue.
Blue. Right, white. You can write.
I write a blue.
Very good.
Blue.
Will come in which column? Which column it will come?
Adjective.
Very
Miss, I
good.
write blue.
Excellent job. Okay. Are you hungry? I have a dash in my bag. I have a very good. Excellent, my dear. You
Apple.
like that movie? I think it's very
Interesting.
very good.
Horror.
All are fine.
Horror, Miss, horror.
It's
Horror
very,
is adjective. It
yes,
is
very nice. All are
describing.
fine. Write it. Nice, interesting, adventurous, horror. All are fine. Write in. Put in adjective column. Done.
Yes, apple किसमें आएगा?
Yes,
टीचर
my
एप्पल
dear.
कौन से कॉलम में आएगा?
Apple किसमें आएगा?
Okay. Apple in noun. Betty, what is this? Who asked about apple?
Apple is a name.
What is apple?
Apple is a
Noun.
noun.
Apple
So
is
write
a
in
noun.
noun column.
Yes.
You're in 6th standard, my dear. Okay, moving forward. Ireland is a dash country, but Canada is a big country. How is Ireland?
Small.
Small.
Very good.
Small.
Very good.
Small is adjective.
Very good. Excellent job, Abhiya. My brother doesn't take a bus to work. He likes to dash to work.
Correctly. Correctly is
Walk.
adverb.
Walk.
No.
Walk.
Walk, sorry, walk. Walk is,
He likes
walk is,
Walk.
he doesn't take a bus. He likes to
Walk.
walk to work or
walk is
drive.
verb.
Walk or drives. Both can come. Yes, drive can also come or walk as also. You can write in verb column. Okay. Now 2 out. Worksheet 2 with me. Everyone open worksheet 2. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, my dear.
Teacher, 14, 15 or 16 rather first person.
yes, teacher. 13,
Okay,
14, and
wait,
15.
let me. Okay, wait.
Sir, अभी बचे हुए 13, 14 letter अलग.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Now, please talk dash in the library. Don't make lots of noise.
Number
slowly.
Very good. It will come in adverb
Slowly.
column.
Politely, Miss, I write politely.
Very good.
Teacher?
It will come in which
It
column?
will come in adverb column.
Very good. Excellent job, Abhiya.
टीचर
Yes, dear.
टीचर आपने 13 का नहीं बताया.
I told my dear, I don't want make any mistake. I want to do my work
Perfectly.
Nicely.
intelligently, actively. Very nice. All can come.
This I write
Miss,
correctly.
Carefully.
It will appear in.
Teacher,
Miss,
nicely.
It will appear
Miss,
in adverb
correctly.
column.
Miss, correctly is right.
Just carefully.
Yes, very good. Okay, number 15. I want to dash the phone number so I don't forget it.
Right.
Reply.
I want to
Right.
no. I want to write or learn.
Learn
Right.
is verb.
Right.
Learn is
Right and
verb.
Lansanan, very good. Very
Reply.
good option. Put in verb column, adverb column, sorry. Verb column.
Verb column.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now 16. The food is cooking. Dash.
Fastly.
Number 1.
Slowly.
Usually.
No, bete fastly is incorrect. There is no such word. We don't add
Miss,
Alva
slowly.
in fastly.
Usually.
Slowly, Miss.
Slowly is fine, Abhiya. Very good.
It is adverb.
Very good. Done. Worksheet 1.
Yes,
Miss,
Miss.
adverb का नहीं है. Noun बचा सिर्फ.
No, Miss.
noun is
Stool
done.
हो गया, car हो गया, paper हो गया, apple हो गया. Learner, car, book, apple. Blue, horse.
In noun column, we did learner, car, or any word pad, notepad, or apple. 4. In adjective, new, blue,
Blue, blue, horror, small, man.
beautiful. In verb, study, eat,
Study, eat, walk,
walk,
learn.
learn. In adverb, past,
quickly, correctly,
diligently,
politely,
slowly and slowly. Yes, quickly.
Quietly.
Done.
ऐसे एडवर्ब की क्या क्या है?
Adverb past,
Miss,
diligently, slowly
Miss,
and slowly.
Miss number 12 वाले का क्या था?
To walk, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Now this next one you have to do by yourself. In this I have supported you in the first one because you were confused. So now the second one I will make you understand. Okay, second one I'll make you understand. You have to do by yourself. Is this clear to everyone?
Okay.
Okay, look at that. Here I have given you 6 sentences. How many?
6.
Okay. From these sentences, you have to underline verb. You all know now what is a verb?
Yes.
The verb
जब
is
पहले
both
पूरा
an
क्वेश्चन नीचे
action or a
उतारना है.
So you have to write a sentence. You have to underline verb over here. For example, I will write on my worksheet. So over here, which word is the verb?
Right.
Underline, write, and write a sentence, a new sentence, your own, from right, quickly. Do so.
Miss, right is the correct, na?
Yes, beta, it's correct. Very good. Now you have to create new sentence by yourself from right. Create the new one.
Okay, Miss.
Miss done.
Miss
Okay,
done.
the second one. Which word is a verb?
Bread.
Lead.
Very good. So create sentence from this.
Miss, lead. Miss, lead. What is the meaning of lead?
Beta,
Teacher, can you tell one more time?
What is the meaning of lead?
Yes. What is the meaning?
yes, I'm telling my dear. Wait. Are you able to look at my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, wait. The search bar appear. The search bar appear. Excuse me, everyone.
Yes.
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, look at that. It's verb. It's the past participle of this. Listen the sound. It means to go with by holding them by hand. Be in charge of command someone or direct someone. Clear? Sometimes we direct or command or order someone. It's the second form. Did you get it?
Teacher, I don't understand.
Beta, do you know what does it mean? A command?
Yes.
Yes.
It's mean to direct someone. We direct to do something. जैसे order नहीं करते, हुक्म नहीं करते, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. We let our friends down the hall. Okay, number 3. She passed the ball to her friend.
Pause.
Create sentence.
Miss, led is the correct way, na?
Yes, my dear. Number third done.
No, teacher. Done.
Saqib done.
Miss, number 4 वाले का क्या है?
Yes.
I can't understand
You
it.
tell bete what will come.
Hello,
In number
Jump.
4,
Jump.
which word is verb?
Jump.
Jump.
Very good, excellent job. So create sentence from this.
Miss, led का मतलब?
To direct command.
Miss, past is verb.
Bete, let me make you listen the sound of Leedna. It's way too.
Miss, past is verb.
Yes, my dear, it's verb. Are you able to hear the sound? Correct voice?
अच्छा.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
You're done.
Done.
Okay, number 5th. What is verb over here?
Cheered. 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 Cheered.
Number 4th done.
Yes.
बेटे let is a second form past participle of lead. हम किसी को lead करते हैं ना, we direct or command someone. Clear? हुक्म चलाना जिसे कहते हैं. Okay. Number 5. The parents cheered for their son. The parents.
Cheered. Cheered, teacher.
Very good. What does it mean, cheer? To welcome, to greet.
बस चिल्लाना जैसे हम लोग चिल्लाते हैं क्लास में.
बेटे, it doesn't mean shout. Shouting meaning नहीं है cheer. Welcome करना, greet करना, cheer for your son.
टीचर चेयर की मीनिंग आती है कि अगर कोई गेम में जैसे हम लोग होते हैं गेम में
जैसे कोई छक्का मारते हैं गेम में तो उसको चेयर करते
Cheer,
हैं सारे
yes, they show
ऑडियंस.
the happy moment. Yes, that is. So here the parents cheered. They were happy for their son.
वही शीशा में देखती हूँ.
Miss, gathered is verb na.
Yes.
What is gather?
Have you created sentences from all?
No, teacher.
No, teacher. Why no?
टीचर मुझे 6 वाले का समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Gather.
done? Teacher done?
Gather,
Yes.
you don't know. Gather to collect ना, जमा करना.
Teacher done?
Done.
No.
Share your sentences. Number 1. Abdullah Baran, share the sentence of yours.
Take
write a letter
to his friend.
Very good.
Number 2. I led my brother to my room and scared him.
Oh,
Miss, I'm done.
Very nice.
Number 3. He passed my worksheet to me.
Very good. Excellent job, Abdullah Baran.
Number 4. My friend jumped on my bed.
Okay, very naughty.
Number 5. I cheered my brother when he wins a race.
Okay, very nice.
Number 6. I gathered pillows for a party.
Okay, really good. Ali Salman, continue.
I will write a letter to my grandfathers.
Very good. Next.
Number 2 टीचर मुझे समझ नहीं आया इतना.
क्यों मेरे बेटा? We lead or direct someone ना, तो command करना. Share quickly, other.
Miss, I want to
Abhiya,
I'm
let
done.
Ali Salman complete. Don't interrupt. Let the
The
person
pizza man.
complete. Please
The pizza
listen.
man passed me the pizza man passed me the pizza.
Very good.
My friend jumped so hard
Good, Ali. Next.
they cheated me in the stadium.
Very good. More now.
I gathered worksheet to give my teacher.
Excellent job, Ali. Create the second one as well. Okay, Sinan, continue, please. Quickly, bete. We have little time. 2-3 minutes are left.
मिस उर्दू की क्लास नहीं हो रही.
Miss, should I read?
I will.
Yes, bete, let Sinan first complete. I'll ask you.
Okay,
I
miss.
will write a letter to my brother.
Yes, very good.
I led my sister to go in her room and sleep.
Okay.
He passed the pencil to her.
Okay. Okay, so I'm exceeding
Cat
the time
jumped
of
on the
today's
wall.
class because you don't have the Urdu class today. So I'm exceeding my time. I will continue the time. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I leave?
Sinan, share it now.
Ali cheered for his friend Umar because he won the race. She gathered people for function.
Okay, very nice. Yes. Now, Mubashir, you do it. Unmute yourself first. You can't share in this manner. Unmute yourself. Click on the option unmute. Unmute yourself.
मिस मुझे थोड़ा समझने नहीं आया.
What you did not understand?
मिस जैसे लेड की समझने नहीं आया. लेड की
To
लेड.
lead, bete. To lead mean to direct someone. किसी को हुक्म देते हैं ना?
Yes.
What does a leader do? Leader क्या करता है? The function of a leader to lead. Lead करता है ना, सबको command करता है कि ये कर लो, वो कर लो. Is that so?
मिस
In an organization, we do have leaders, the head of the department who leads everyone to do something. Is that so?
Yes.
The MD, inshallah, you will become MD and you will lead everyone. It's clear now?
Yes.
Okay, now share it. Be attentive, everyone. Are you sharing more?
बाबा इसको बोलने जाए.
Okay. Danish, start sharing with him.
We should write sentence fastly.
No fastly, bete, Danish. I told you we don't add ly in fast. Only fast.
We should write sentence fast. He lead to bring water.
Very
He
good.
passed in her exam. In his exam, he jumped out of plane.
Wait. It's not that one. Pass mean आप किसी को दे. Pass जैसे passing the ball. You don't play the passing the ball game.
Yes.
We use in this manner. The context is different over here. वो जो आप exam clear करते हैं, that is completely different. The context is different over here.
Okay.
Vocabulary we can use in different manner. One vocabulary we can use in different manner. ठीक है? So here the context is कि आपने किसी को दी. आगे बढ़ाई.
He jumped out of plane.
Very good.
They cheered for my sakes.
Very good.
I gathered my friend for study.
Excellent job, my dear. Yes, now Abhiya, share it better yours.
Okay, miss. Number 1. I will write a letter to my mom. Number 2. He led her to the restaurant.
Very good.
Number 3. Her mother was ill and she passed away.
Excellent
Number
job.
4. He jumped on jumping castle.
Oh, wow.
Number 5. The smile on Sarah's face could cheer anyone up.
Okay,
Number
very
6.
nice.
Number 6. Finally, Miss Sana gathered her paper.
Wow. Now, Mohit, excellent job, Abhiha. Very
These
good.
are my sentences. Thank you. Ma'am.
Mohit, start sharing, bete. Okay, you are doing right now. Shahnaza, you start, bete. Mohit is still writing.
First, I write a letter to my brother.
Very
And
good.
मिस मुझे सेकंड वाले का समझ नहीं आया था तो आप please कर
I told right now, I made you understand, my dear. लीड करना, किसी को गाइड करना, किसी को आगे काम के लिए हम समझाते नहीं है. For example, in an organization, the person who is in higher post, जो higher post पे होते हैं, वो अपने से नीचे लोगों को
Miss
lead करते हैं.
Miss I write. I lead to my sister. And third, I pass the ball to my brother. I jumped in the swimming pool. My parents cheered on me. And I greet eat party. I gathered eat party.
Very good. Excellent job, Shahnaza. Do make of the lead as well.
मिस हो
Tanya,
गया
unmute yourself.
Miss I
Tanya, unmute.
मिस हो गया मिस हो गया
Okay, bete. After Tanya, you will share, Mohit. Tanya, start sharing.
I will write my notes. My friend led me to her room. I passed water to my friend. My friend
good.
jumped on her bed. My parents
Excellent job.
cheered for my brother. I gathered my books to read.
Excellent job, Tanya. Very nice. Now, Mohit, start sharing. I'm waiting, Mohit.
यस मिस आई कम
Okay.
I write a letter for my brother.
Very good.
He led her to the airplane.
Very nice.
My brother passed me a pen.
Okay, very nice.
I jumped from the wall.
Very good.
My brother cheered me in the race.
Very good.
I gathered my friend for game.
Very good. Excellent job, Mohit. Okay. Now, Yusra, you will start sharing. Have you made sentences? Yusra, unmute yourself. Done. Okay, Rahim, you will start sharing with it. She's still doing, you share it now.
Ali will write a letter to Imran.
Okay.
Imran led us here to follow him.
Very good.
I passed the pencil to Ali.
Very good.
Rabbit jumped to the tree.
Okay, very nice.
My family cheered for me. My family gathered for summer picnic.
Okay, really nice. I also want to come. Okay, Amna, please start sharing it.
Yes, number 1 is I write my work in good manner. Number 2, my sister led me to bring water.
Loud, beta, you are not clear.
Miss, number 1 is I write my work in good manner.
Okay,
Number
very
2,
nice.
number 2 is my sister led me to bring water. Number
Okay.
3, he passed book to him. And number 4, he jumped on the bed.
Okay.
नंबर 5 समझ नहीं आ रहा और नंबर 6 आई गैदर बुक्स फ्रॉम लाइब्रेरी मिस मुझे 5 नंबर
Be happy. I cheered. I am happy at that moment. I'm cheering it. Do in the manner of a cheer, in the manner of clapping, or to show our excitement or our emotions. If my brother is playing cricket and he just do 6, what will you do? I'll cheer now. Hurrah! What I will do at the time? Clapping in the manner we cheer. We cheer by clapping, by saying expressions in different manners.
यस
Yes, my dear. Mariam Nasir, after a long time, after a week, you joined the class. You haven't taken the last classes now. Welcome to the class, my dear.
Welcome back, Mariam.
Okay. Now share the sentences, Mariam.